Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't exist? It's challenging, isn't it? This is because AI has become a significant part of our daily lives, often in ways that we don't even realize. Today we're going to explore some of the incredible ways AI influences our world. Take a moment to consider your morning routine. Perhaps you use a smart alarm clock to wake up. This isn't just any old alarm clock though. This device uses AI to analyze your sleep patterns, waking you at the optimal time to ensure you feel refreshed and ready to take on the day. Now think about your commute to work. If you use a GPS or traffic app, you're benefiting from AI. These applications use complex algorithms to analyze real-time traffic data, helping you avoid congestion and reach your destination as quickly as possible. Even at work, AI plays a role. Many businesses now use AI-based systems for tasks like scheduling, data analysis, and customer service. These systems can handle repetitive tasks more efficiently than humans can, freeing up employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks. But the impact of AI extends beyond just our personal lives and workplaces. AI plays a critical role in many areas of society. In healthcare, for instance, AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the way doctors diagnose and treat diseases. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, helping doctors identify patterns and make more accurate diagnoses. In the field of environmental conservation, AI is being used to track and protect endangered species. By analyzing data from drones and satellites, AI can identify changes in animal populations or habitats, helping conservationists take action to protect these vulnerable species. In summary, artificial intelligence has a profound impact on our daily lives. It assists us in our routines, aids us in our work, and even plays a crucial role in sectors such as healthcare and environmental conservation. It's fascinating to consider how much AI influences our world, often in ways that we don't even realize. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, it's clear that AI will continue to play a significant role in shaping our future. Remember this the next time you use your smart alarm clock or GPS. You're not just using a tool, you're experiencing the power of AI. And it's this power, this ability to analyze and learn from data, that makes AI such a transformative force in our world. So the next time you wake up to your smart alarm, take a moment to appreciate the complex technology that made your refreshing wake-up possible. As you navigate your daily commute, remember the intricate algorithms working behind the scenes to get you to your destination. And as you go about your day, take a moment to consider the many ways that AI is working to make our world a better place. Because whether we realize it or not, AI is always there, always working, always learning, and that's something truly incredible to think about.